New York City emergency responders staged a 3-hour active shooter drill at the Bowery subway station in Manhattan this weekend. Responders tested numerous scenarios, such as reports of lone but armed suspects and suicide bombers. Officers and K-9 units wore protective gear and carried high-powered weapons loaded with blanks, while other participants dressed as wounded civilians and displayed bloody but fake wounds. The drill was funded by the Department of Homeland Security, with NYPD Commissioner Bill Bratton saying, "In New York City, we are, at this time, very well prepared and continually improving that preparedness." Thank you for watching our exclusive California Network Daily Briefing. Please subscribe to our channel and tell us how much you like our news in the comments below.